Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and today we're going to be testing out some of the stuff I got in my Jeffree Star Mystery Box. I just kind of want to test the waters, see how they perform. I mean, I know how Jeffree Star's shadows usually perform, or from the few that I have, how they perform, but you know, I created this easy look for work, and I'm going to take you with and show you the process. A lot of new stuff coming. I feel like I got a new laptop, so hopefully editing will be easier, because I have struggled so hard trying to edit on my laptop. That is the biggest reason for my uploads not being uploaded, or my videos not being uploaded, because I'll film something that's not usually my issue. If I film on my phone, it doesn't want to transfer onto my laptop. I then have to jump through hoops to transfer the video from my phone to my laptop. So we are currently working on my camera today. And I'm pretty sure the two batteries I literally just bought for my camera are no longer working, so I will have to purchase new ones of those. So like I said, hoops for days. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, we're trying to get that going and working. I've also been trying to clean as I go, so when I do a cleaning video, it's not like 700 loads of laundry that I'm having to fold, and like, you know, I'm sure there will come a time that I have to do that occasionally, but with Thanksgiving coming up and my boyfriend decided we're hosting it at my house, yeah, just I'm really trying to make sure the house stays in a semi-decent order. That way when we do have to deep clean, it's not like total reconstruction of the house. But yeah, so just a fun little speed through, get ready with me testing out these products and seeing how I like them. I think it turned out pretty. I like it. So if you're interested in seeing, just stick with me, and let's get right into the video. Don't forget that I am doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers. The June Co cleansing balm, the Blends Bunny Blends palette, magic eraser, makeup eraser, I'm sorry, and the mascara that I used literally today in this video. So that would go to 2 winners in this giveaway. Yes. I'm losing my mind, so don't pay any attention to that part. But yeah, don't forget, because we are super close. We're like 15, a little over 15 subscribers from having a 2-person giveaway. I also got some Jeffree Star eyeshadows that will be included in a giveaway. I'm not sure which one, but a giveaway of some sorts. So yeah, come on guys, we're so close. Let's go.
See the sky.
Other Jeffree Star Mystery Box. If you watched my last mystery box, you know that I said that they were still available on the website. So I went ahead and ordered the middle one, yeah, because I wanted to see the difference, because this was still a huge box. So this one isn't packaged as nice. It's almost like they were just trying to get her done. So we got 6 feet under the gloss. Oh my gosh, I wonder what this looks like. This lighting is terrible. Just a second. That's a little bit better. Okay. That is an interesting shade for a gloss. We got Dominatrix. God, this packaging is absolutely gorgeous, by the way. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I think I like some of these better already. Wifey. I just wore the lipstick to that to work yesterday, and I enjoyed it. So the gloss, is a Supreme gloss. Okay. Ooh, I got Weirdo. Yes. I was waiting for that. Oh, please don't be Witch's Brew again. I got Witch's Brew, so I will put that in a giveaway, because that was absolutely disgusting. I'm sorry. Maybe one of you guys will like it, though, so who knows. I got the Weirdo palette again. And I will put this one, in a giveaway. Here. I got the Blood Sugar palette. I do not have this one. Oh, this is the one I wanted. Probably one of the most ones I wanted. So yes, 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 yes. I'm sorry if I'm getting way too excited, but yes. I'm glad that most of this is different. And I got a makeup bag. Looks like the little Jeffree Star logo with some vampire fangs. So that's cute. And I got the blue. I have not owned this many of Jeffree Star's lipsticks ever, so that's kind of exciting. I got 2 different ones, thank goodness. I wanted more of his lipsticks because they do work really well. I just don't like paying for them. So that is nice. I'm so excited about that. And then I got a shirt. Same design as the sweater, only it's a t-shirt and it's purple. This was good. I am extremely happy that I did a second one. I nearly got nothing the same except for this guy and this guy, and I imagine it's because it's the mystery box that these were coming in. Again, it tasted like black licorice, and it's not for me. But the Weirdo palette, it will go in a giveaway. And like, as much as I love this bag, I might put this one in a giveaway too, because I just don't use makeup bags. I just don't. And it is incredibly adorable. I want to say it's real leather. I'm not 100% sure. It doesn't give off that leather smell. The only reference I have to that is the Letterman I had in high school, but like you can see, this comfortably fits in there, and there's still space. So I mean, it's a decent sized makeup bag. I haven't decided yet, because I mean, it would be a pretty cool collector's item. Like, that's really cute, but I just don't see myself ever really using it. I don't know. I might hang it up or put it up as a decoration. I don't know. You guys let me know, because I mean, it is extremely cute, and I like the little bat wings on it. I do, but like, am I really gonna use it, or is it just gonna sit and look pretty? I don't know. I really like it. So yeah, it didn't come with a mirror, which I mean is kind of nice. I mean, it's not for people who only ordered this box, but it is kind of nice in the fact that buying both, I know that I was getting more in the other one, which clearly, but I am extremely happy with like literally everything I got. This gloss, I'm not sure, just because I don't favor the way his glosses look, but you know, I could be wrong and I could end up loving it. They just didn't look so great in their advertisements. You know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!